Hi everyone. So today I have the privilege of presenting on the topic that marks a significant milestone in our journey. That's the rise of autonomous operations. So as we tread further into the bustling era of advancement, it's very much clear that autonomy has transformed a merely vision into a reality that sets new paradigm across various industries. So at the dawn of this revolution, our objective was clear: enhancing efficiency and minimize errors in repetitive or intrusive tasks. So, from precision driven robotic arm in our manufacturing lines to drones conducting aerial surveys with astonishing accuracy, we have expanded the horizon of what autonomous operations can achieve. This progression towards autonomous and self regulatory promises is a future where artificial intelligence and technology are the backbone of operational management. So, understanding the layer of autonomy is crucial. We begin with manual operations, relying heavily on human input, so advancing through stages where technology assists, support, and eventually takes over, leading to fully autonomy. So, this evolution signifies a reduction in human labor and an elevation in our capability for innovation, accuracy, and operational capabilities. So, the impact of autonomous operations is profound, offering a spectrum of benefits. The advantages are apparent, from enhancing production efficiency to ensuring reliability or safety in hazardous environment. Similarly, to fully harvest these benefits, we must strategically integrate advanced technologies, prioritize robust system design, and advocate for ethical consideration in pursuing higher autonomy levels. So, artificial intelligence stands at the core of this journey, which propels autonomous system to new heights. So, through capabilities like decision making, environmental perceptions, and predictive maintenance, AI is a transformative force in realizing the vision of complete autonomy. So, as we explore the vast application of autonomous operations, from manufacturing to healthcare and from agriculture to environmental monitoring, we understand the magnitude of change they bring. Yet, this is journey full of challenges, ethical dilemmas, data security concerns, and the imperative for reliability highlights the critical areas that require attention and thoughtful intervention. So, in conclusion, the trajectory towards autonomous operations explored technological capacity and a venture into a future where efficiency, safety, and innovation merge. So, as we navigate these challenges, our goals remain same: to embrace the future of autonomous operations with a balanced approach, which ensures the world where technology enhances human life without compromising our values and societal norms. Thank you very much.